In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify Key 5 minutes. If you're integrating a tool or building an integration, you'll often need your Shopify app's credentials. In this walkthrough, we'll retrieve the secret from an existing custom app in your Shopify admin. I'll keep it straightforward, add context so you know why each click matters, and share a few safety tips as we go. First, open your Shopify admin and make sure you're logged into the correct store. It's a small detail, but credentials are store specific, so double check the store name at the top of your dashboard before you continue. From your admin, head to settings. You'll find the gear icon typically in the lower left corner. If your window is narrow or you're on a smaller display, the menu may collapse. Expanding it or scrolling will reveal the settings option. This area controls your store's configuration, including where developer features live. Inside settings, choose apps. This is the hub for everything related to integrations. It includes apps you've installed, sales channels, and developer options. We're going here to access the development section tied to your custom apps. Next, select Develop Apps. This section lists custom or private apps associated with your store. If you don't see Develop Apps, it's usually a permission or policy restriction. In that case, ask a store owner or admin to grant access. That's not a workflow change, it's just ensuring the correct permissions so you can proceed. Now pick the existing app whose credentials you need. If your store has multiple apps, choose the one your integration references. It can help to confirm the app's name and intended use with your team, so you don't pull the wrong credentials. If there are versions or environments, make sure you're in the one you intend to use. Once you're in the app, click Settings within the app view. This is where Shopify stores configuration details, including API credentials and security options. Staying in the app settings ensures you're looking at the right data for that specific integration. Finally, click Secret. Shopify may hide the value by default and ask you to click to reveal or confirm your identity. When you reveal it, copy the secret carefully and store it somewhere secure, like a password manager or a protected secrets vault. Avoid sharing it in chats, screenshots, or emails, and never commit it to source control. If you suspect it's been exposed, rotate it immediately and update any connected services. Keeping scopes lean and access limited will further protect your store. That's it, you've navigated from your Shopify admin to your app settings and revealed the secret safely. Thanks for watching and happy building.